This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 12th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Cloudy skies. It's a wet day out there. We'll see active weather continuing through tomorrow as a vigorous low-pressure area moves through the region. Then a warming trend for the rest of the week and into the St. Patrick's Day weekend. Temperatures getting close to 80 once again. How long does the warmer and drier weather last? We'll talk about all of it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 68 degrees the high in the valley. The morning low, 52. And 0.05 of an inch of rain officially in the bucket. And outside right now here at 10:15 a.m., it's my kind of day out there. Cloudy skies, a few showers around, especially looking toward the Superstition Mountains. You see some rain coming down there. And we're at 56 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 50, humidity 80%. The winds are light and the barometer is falling. Temperatures across the area right now, we are mostly in the 50s valley-wide. And the upper air look, there's our vigorous low-pressure area across northern Baja and southern California. That'll bring another round of showers and isolated thunderstorms through the day today and into tonight, and then tapering off by tomorrow. The watch warning map, wind advisories, and some high wind watches and warnings here across the west, northern Arizona. If you're heading up toward Las Vegas, or if you're on the I-40 west from Flagstaff over toward Kingman, you could run into some very windy conditions and parts of Southern California and up along the rim as well today. Some winter weather advisories through the west. And check out the blizzard warnings, parts of Colorado, Nebraska, and South Dakota. The snow will be piling up there. Winter storm warnings extend through much of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, and the western plains. Severe weather a possibility today, too, across West Texas and eastern New Mexico. We've got the enhanced risk of severe storms there with the broader marginal risk extending northward into parts of Colorado and Kansas. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, so scattered thunderstorms expected. Severe weather not anticipated, at least not on a widespread basis, but a few strong storms are certainly possible today, which we'll talk about in a moment. The precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley between about 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch. So we're not done with our rainfall just yet. We'll detail all of that now as we take a look at the models. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet. The cold core of our vigorous low pressure area moves through the area today. And so as it does down at the surface, cloudy skies, numerous showers, isolated thunderstorms. High temperatures this afternoon, not going to get a whole lot warmer than we are now. We should see low 60s this afternoon, and it will be breezy to locally windy, especially if you get around one of these stronger storms. Could see wind gusts as high as 35, 40 miles an hour, and certainly over northern Arizona, stronger winds are possible too. Now, looking at the high-res models, this is the HRRR this afternoon at 3 o'clock, and it's got some discrete cells coming on through the valley. And again, a few of these could be strong. We could see some locally heavy rain and small hail. Nothing to get too excited about, but would not be surprised to see that happen, especially if we get a little bit of sun peeking out this afternoon to help further destabilize the atmosphere. Speaking of atmospheric instability, the CAPE values this afternoon, convective available potential energy, readings in excess of 500 joules per kilogram here this afternoon over south central Arizona. So that's certainly enough here to merit some scattered thunderstorms, and some of those, again, yes, they could be strong. Then as we go into the evening hours and overnight, we'll start to see rain tapering off. Still a chance of showers will continue through the overnight hours, though. Lows upper 40s and low 50s. And then tomorrow, that secondary short wave that we've been talking about for the last couple of days, it follows through across northern Arizona. Still a chance of showers here in the valley through at least, I'd say, midday tomorrow, maybe even into the early afternoon hours. High temperatures back in the low and middle 60s. Then Thursday, we'll have a very cool start to the day. Lows in the upper 30s in the cool spots, low and middle 40s in the urban core. But then we'll warm up nicely. Highs back in the upper 60s, could even get close to 70 with mostly sunny skies. Now, there's another area of low pressure that follows through here on Friday. This is a pretty weak system. It will bring a few clouds. We'll call it partly sunny. There might be a sprinkle or a light shower in northern Arizona. We're not going to worry about it, though. High temperatures, low, maybe even middle 70s as the warming continues, as ridging builds in. Then the St. Patrick's Day weekend, beautiful weather, sunny skies on Saturday, high temperatures in the mid-70s, maybe getting into the low 80s here in the valley for St. Patrick's Day with mostly sunny skies continuing. Monday looks mostly sunny, ridging still holding on, highs upper 70s and low 80s. Going out to a week from today, this is Tuesday the 19th. We've got a trough now approaching the west coast, a west-southwest flow aloft. Clouds would be on the increase. Temperatures still pretty mild, though, likely in the mid and upper 70s. Now, here's Wednesday. The 20th, and that's an interesting look, a negative tilt trough coming onto the California coast, some diffluence, and so that would mean a chance of showers, maybe even some thunderstorms coming back into the picture. If this verifies, this is starting a trend on the models, maybe more active weather for the middle part of next week. We'll see, though, still quite a ways out. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Thursday, the 21st, it's the equinox, and that looks like an area of low pressure moving through with a continued chance of showers, and temperatures would be cooling off if that verifies. Checking out the temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble through the period, and it's got us going back up into the 80s, lows in the 50s for the most part. And so spring is well on its way. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.